My name is Thomas Ornell. I'm a Principal Systems Engineer at ABAX. ABAX does asset tracking for things like excavators or tools, essentially any equipment you might have as a company.
Locate and track your vehicles, machinery and tools from the palm of your hand.
We ingest vast amount of data from all our units every day. For us to be able to provide our services to our customers, uptime of our services in general is critical. Not providing that information to our customers in a timely manner is simply unacceptable. We were doing an on-prem to cloud migration. With the cloud, you see a lot of new challenges when it comes to security. Being configured correctly becomes much more critical than it used to be on-prem. We were also heavily investing in Kubernetes at the time and were looking for a security solution, and using the right tools is essential, especially in a field that's as complicated as cloud native security, which is definitely where Aqua is key. We used the SaaS version of the Aqua platform, the VM protection, Kubernetes security and the CSPM part. We started out with Kubernetes security and the VM protection, and at that point we were using the on-prem version. To minimize upkeep, we decided to go with the SaaS solution going forward. And we've also expanded the capabilities we are using with Aqua with DTA and the serverless functions as well. We are using the Aqua CI/CD scanners to ensure that our builds meet sufficient criteria. And if it doesn't meet those standards, the deployment will actually be rejected at the CI/CD level. Getting the feedback loop as quick as possible is critical for the developers. Doing it in the tooling that they use every day will ensure that they actually look at the results and act on the results in there. The convincing feature was actually the drift prevention, being able to stop our containers from doing things they shouldn't be doing. It gives us the capability of actually getting notified when there's something wrong, or we can opt in to entirely automate the action taken when something is detected. The CSPM functionality provides us with this state of the union kind of thing, where you can see how far are you away from full compliance. It helps us ensure that the configuration we have for our cloud accounts are correctly configured. In certain scenarios, there are vulnerabilities you really can't get rid of. But Aqua makes it possible for us, even though we are doing a lot of deployments every day, to mitigate those vulnerabilities until the point where they can actually be fixed properly within our containers. From our perspective, Aqua was one of the easier ones to get started with, which in the security space is not necessarily true for everyone.